Guy. Hey, John Furman here from Bub and Mother's. We're going to be making up our own barbecue sauce today. Alright, so we're going to chop up some bacon. Alright, and a lot of guys cook it up and then chop it. I don't want to do that because we're going to be leaving the pieces in the sauce. They'll shrink up nice. I've already got the pot kind of preheating, so we're going to just take this. Get it right in there and bring it up to medium. Spread it out. We're just going to let it kind of cook in the bottom. Nice smoky bacon flavor. You don't have to use flavored bacon. You can use anything you like. Onions. Easiest way to dice an onion. Right. Just peel this little layer off. Make it nice and simple. And once that bacon's rendered down, we're just going to be putting in some onion. And again, chop it up as fine as you like. At the end, when the sauce is all made, if you want, you can run it through a blender. I like to leave the chunks in it. It cooks better on the food and gives you a little bit of texture. Alright? And don't worry about neat onions, chopping them this way, less tears. Although, with barbecue, it could be tears of joy. Let's just want to render down that bacon fat, because that's what's going to be cooking everything. Alright, rid of that. And that should be enough onion for this. Of course, whoops, we'll be putting in our Bub and Mother's into the sauce, as we will on everything else. Once it's ready, a little of that, and some vinegar. I'll get the ketchup, mustard, and because we're a New England company, we've got our, you think a jug of moonshine, it's actually maple syrup. So I'm going to put that in there, real maple syrup, just to get it going. Alright. When we get back, we'll start stirring everything up. Yep, this is Carolina Beach. This here is where Bub first learned about dry rubs and real down-home barbecue, southern style. So we're going to go visit our friends over at Go Sauce Yourself. They're a barbecue sauce, hot sauce, and dry rub confectioner. And we're down here at Carolina Beach, North Carolina. Alright, we're here at Go Sauce Yourself in Carolina Beach. We're going to go take a look at the beach, and then we're going to go ahead in there and talk a little bit about Bub and Mother's. Again, after we chopped our onion, got our bacon down, we rendered the onion down. Once the onion was sauteed, we added equal parts, quarter cup, because we're making a small batch. We put in a quarter cup of maple, quarter cup of ketchup, quarter cup of apple cider vinegar, good tablespoon or two of mustard, any variety. I like the spicier, the browner, and then 3 tablespoons of Bub and Mother's Downey's Dinner Dust. And if you want to kick it up just a bit, I put in a shot of bourbon. In this case, we use Bullet as a guess. And what we're going to do now is this is going to pretty much simmer until we've got our cook almost done outside. We'll be going outside in a bit. That'll thicken it up. It'll render it down. And we'll be putting the barbecue sauce is going to go on the chicken thighs. We got skinless chicken thighs. We're going to sear them, let them slow cook. We'll sauce them up so the sauce gets on there nice and neat. The ribs that we're going to put on, we're going to just do dry rub, and we'll be getting those set up shortly. So when we come back, we're going to start taking our ribs apart and dressing them up, taking the membrane off the back. We'll show you how to do that and why. We'll see you in a minute.